Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. You may have missed last night, or in the last, we'll call it last 24 hours or so. Today is Saturday, October 12th for those that are on the podcast. I was going to design a new MetaTrader for Expert Advisor with source code provided for two indicators, but the quote came in nearly pushing $500. And I thought to myself, that's quite a bit of money for something I don't know that will work. So it's a bit of a high risk for me to get developed. So I just decided that's another distraction I'm going to get rid of among many others that I've had over the years. And just decided to keep it focused on Python. And I was able to develop the equivalent of my trading idea in about an hour, hour and a half last night. Running, testing all the conditions with real market data. I've put up the source code for it with about an hour code walkthrough. It's a new trading idea I'm looking at just to focus on Bitcoin because I dropped Bitcoin in my current strategy, and just numerous things I could go on about. But anyways, the point is that I have a capability if you want to master a way to develop trading ideas for pretty well any asset class, but for sure with forex and cryptocurrency, which is the easiest way to get into. But the point here is that I've got a membership called Quant Elite. I put up this video with the source code with this new strategy idea that I'm going to obviously test, but I'm only going to keep it up until Tuesday at the latest. Again, this is October 12th. So do understand that's up for a limited time. This is just, to be honest, a way to get people in this membership for the Elite. It's for 3 years. I'm going to keep it capped for 3 years. And it's a journey I'm on. I've got other people that are part of this that are on the same journey. We do webinars. We've got the private chat and other things. So if you want to get involved, come over here to quantlabs.net/elite. This is a reminder about this. I will put in an email I'll put out later today. If you're not on that early bird list, I'll send another email tomorrow on where to go if you want to get access to this. Now, if you're really serious and you've been following me, all you got to do is just go over to the Quant Lab store, and I'll show you exactly where to go. Okay. Now, this strategy I think will do well. I've tested it on many different platforms, including MetaTrader. I'm not saying it's going to be one of those strategies that will say throw money at me, but this is just one of many benefits. This link will give you all the highlights of what's included in this thing. But if you come under the store, quantlabs.net, you come under the Elite membership right here, and I'll say click here for Elite membership, and then I'll give you the access to everything. So this is it here, and just click that button, and then that will give you immediate access into it. Again, this is what was posted last night on my Academy Python code walkthrough with an hour video, plus the files that you can download for that. That's Python scripts. There's 3 of them. The watch list, the position manager, and it's always making references to this course. Now you see there's 6 courses here. It'll make references to this course, which is for Python version 3, which will show you how to build a custom trading bot. On top of, you can also from there be able to build forex bots using Oanda with some of the unique functionality and features you get with Oanda. So you can get both, obviously. And there's a lot more in here as well. Interactive brokers, C++, futures, options, the whole 9 yards, plus the 10-year archive, plus. I could go on. So on the blog here, I've put up a little blurb on the benefit of this. This is the big benefit of this particular script, and I'm planning to put more these kind of videos into this Elite because when I put stuff up, it's either not value, but when people buy something like this type of membership that take their trading really seriously, especially their algo trading, and want to be able to effectively be able to code up a trading idea very quickly, which It's pretty hard to do on a lot of platforms, let alone just get it done, and be able to get it into market right away against real market data to test it. And you'll watch this particular video on the blog. Again, for those on the podcast, new Python source code video of SMA Algo trading Bitcoin bot that will show you some of the evolutions and challenges you may face when you develop a bug or a bot, but at the same time you will not need to go out and waste all this time on back testing and stuff. You're doing it against real data and the markets, and be able to tweak it as is, because we all know, if you're really serious in this and you know your stuff, you'll know that your bots are going to have a very limited time, be it a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of hours, or a couple of months at most. But not saying that after that the bot's useless. The problem is that the bot was designed for certain market conditions, and those market conditions may come back, but you can always keep that bot on the sidelines ready to go when those market conditions come back. So there's always that. This one's pretty universal, can be used at any time. It's very simple. You'd be blown away on how simple it is, but I've got the code because everyone has the idea, but to be able to implement and get it up and running is another gamble. It's all there, and you get a lot more with it. So if you want, join up. As I said, I'm going to keep a cap, a very limited cap. If you want, once again, go to the quantlabs.net/elite, sign up here in this form. You can watch the video on some of the other benefits, and it's just, I don't know, for 3 years you can't go wrong. It's $300 a year, and $300 a year, you will easily probably waste it on a video gaming system and bot and waste your life away when you can do this and make have a good future and secure your future as well. Hopefully I'll help you out, and we shall talk to you later. Have a good day.